Tell me about your softball experience.
Well, I was the head softball coach here for 19 seasons. I was involved with the softball program for 24. The last 19 as head coach. Had some great kids that played for me, great adults that coached with me, and our program was pretty good. Really proud of what we built over those years, and we tried to do things right. Probably the most fun and rewarding part was my family. My dad was always our announcer. He was known as Grandpa Joe, and he did the announcing, kept score. More importantly to me, he was my quality coach. He was the guy who critiqued me. And then the last 7 years, my oldest daughter, Rachel, she was my assistant coach. My favorite sports picture of all time is when she had a picture taken of all three of us in the dugout. And I had no idea that she had to take, one of the other coaches did it. And this is by far my favorite picture. I had a phone call from Coach Henderson, and she was wanting to do something for my dad. Dad passed away in March, and she was wanting to do something for the program for him. And we were talking about a couple different things, and I suggested, because I wanted to do it, I wanted to put some sort of a bench in so people could sit down over there. And she liked that idea and kind of ran with it. And a few minutes after our phone conversation there, she texted me a picture, and the next thing I know, within a half an hour, it was ordered and on the way here. It took a couple of days to get it, and then they installed it. I kind of requested a specific date, so they had enough time. And there was one team that I wanted. They were coming into town. It was Greenville. Their coaching staff is a father-son type thing, and I got the opportunity to coach kind of against both of them at one time, and so it meant a lot to me to be able to do it on that day. And it was a great day. I mean, Coach Henderson did an outstanding job on setting it all up, and I was able to get my family there and my mom. And
I have a picture of your mom, and she's standing by the bench.
Yep.
It was so sweet.
She gets emotional at times, depending on what we're talking about, and that was one of the times. She wasn't aware of what was going on. I just said we were going over to the softball field to do something for Dad, but she had no idea what it was. And they did a nice job. They had me throw out the first pitch, but I had my.
Oh, wait a minute. I saw you throwing out this first pitch,
Yeah.
kinda. You had some help. Tell me
about
that.
I did. So I was ailing that day. I just wasn't feeling it. So I asked my great niece, which is my dad's great granddaughter, and she is a Pirate. She goes over to the ECC, and she's playing baseball. So I asked her to help me, and she actually threw out the first pitch for us. And that was really important to me to tie in the future with the past.
You're telling me that your dad was a great storyteller. Tell me about that.
Yes, he was always trying to motivate the kids, and he would come up to me and say, "Can you give me a few minutes after practice?" And he would always have a story. Probably the one that they remember the most is the bumblebee story. And at the ceremony that night, Coach Henderson spoke of that story and told that, basically that story is bumblebees, their wings are not big enough for their bodies to fly, but they don't know that, and they fly anyway. And there's a great moral to the story on that one, that we may not think we can do it, but we really can. And so she actually gave everybody a bumblebee pin, and even included the girls from Greenville. Our kids came over and presented their players with a bumblebee pin, which was just the icing on the cake for that whole event. I think Dad will like that.